In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problem involving electric cells for the JAMB Physics. So we have one repeatable questions to practice with for this subtopic under current electricity. So let's get started. The question says a battery of EMF 12 volts and internal resistance of 1 ohm connected to an external resistor of 3 ohm. Find the power delivered by the battery. Now, one thing you guys should take note of is that when it comes to power, we have other formulas for calculating it outside the conventional one, which is the work over time. All right, so power can also be calculated using power equals IV, especially when you're dealing with circuits. All right, power can also be calculated using power equals I square R. The I is the current. So in this question, we don't have the current, so let's get the current. Now remember that for EMF, when you're looking for current, when EMF is involved, you're going to apply this formula. E standing for EMF equals the current times the internal resistance plus the external resistance. All right, so in this question we have the E to be EMF to be 12 volts equals, we are looking for the current in bracket, internal resistance is 1 plus external resistance or resistor is what, 3. Alright, so you're going to have 12 equals I plus 3I. Now this is same thing as 12 equals I plus 3I give 4I. Divide both sides by 4. So the current will be 3 ampere. Now that we have this current to be 3 ampere, we can choose to substitute it in this first formula here. Alright, so the power will be, the current is now 3 times the voltage is what, 12. So 12 times 3 will give you what, 36 watts. It's either you do it this way or you can choose to go through this route, but you're going to do it gradually. Firstly, the power for the internal resistance will be, so the current is 3 square times, now for the internal resistance we have the value to be 1, so this same thing as power here will be 3 square is 9 times 4 is still 9, okay, watts. Then the power for the external resistance will be 3 square times, we have the value for the external to be 3. Okay, so we are left with 3 square is 9, that's 9 times 3, which will give you what, 27 watts. So you now add 27 watts plus 9 watts, you still arrive at 36 watts. This is W. Alright, so whichever way is correct depending on what you're working with. So it's either you just do 12 times 3 or you can just do follow this way, you still get at the same, you still arrive at the same answer. So that's it for this quiz. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Now if you feel what I learned from this video, if you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, so the correct option here is option D, 36 watts. If you are not yet part of our channel membership, ensure that you're part of it now by hitting the join button to become part of our community where we share special information that helps to simplify economic problem for members of the community. So join us now and you'll be glad you did. Having done that, click on the end screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.